YAMSA stands for Industrias Asociadas Maquiladoras S.A. It is the company incorporated here 25 years ago to create industrial parks and industrial facilities for manufacturing companies coming from the United States or abroad into Mexico for re-export purposes, mainly.
El Bajio Industrial Park is one of our latest endeavors within the YAMSA group. We started this park in 2003. This park was actually a wine ranch. We're actually reserving 25% of the park service just to green areas, and you'll see that throughout the whole park, and especially wineries. The park has 72 hectares. It's a big park. We currently have 8 buildings, a little bit over 900,000 square foot constructed.
I'm the Vice President of Operation at Kinesis. We opened up this division in Tecate, Mexico about over 2 years ago. Number one thing was important to me is the security of the park, which is really important for the people who work here, also for our product, our equipment.
We have 24/7 security guards. We have CCTV all over the park. We have controlled access and exit from the park.
Well, industrial parks, because they have a control access, it's completely wall around the perimeter. It is very secure to do business in Mexico.
We established our manufacturing plan in 2008, and since day one, we love the industrial park El Bajio. Our presence in here has been very, very satisfactory in terms of service from the people from the industrial park in terms of maintenance, safety, and security.
El Bajio Industrial Park is also very well geographically located. We're roughly 10 miles away from Tijuana. We're in the outskirts of Tecate, so that this means that we have people here that can come to work either from Tijuana and Tecate, which it increases the labor pool significantly, and it's also very close to the border crossing points. We have a 10-minute drive from the Tecate crossing point, and we have a 25-minute drive from the Otay crossing the border on Tijuana. We have a Daycare Center, which is available to all employees. We also have an ATM within the park to help companies whenever they need any payroll needs. And we also have a football court. This helps reduce rotation to the companies. Their workers are happier here than another place.
We've been focusing on industrial parks with inventory buildings. We believe that we create a building that can be flexible enough to be subdivided, and they can be a tilt-up construction, which is very similar to what the U.S. construction systems are. And the building codes are done to the U.S. standard building codes as well.
Right now in El Bajio, we have a 116,000 square feet building available, which is called the Sauvignon building.
This building can be divided into 4 different modules. The 2 corner modules can be divided at 33,000 square feet, and the 2 center modules can take 25,000 square feet. They're equipped with 900 square foot of offices and restrooms. It also comes with a T5 lighting throughout all the production floor, bollards with docks, with ramps, with sealed docks. And also we have 3% of the whole building is covered with skylights. This helps companies provide the necessary lighting that they need to work without having to turn the lights on necessarily, so that they can save power.
But we also follow through once we deliver the building and they are manufacturing. There's always adjustments after the delivery date. So we go in after with a task force and we determine exactly what needs to change in the building and what needs to happen to try to make them as cost effective as they can down here in Mexico.
Here in the El Bajio Park, we have a very strong network with both electricity and water supply. We have our own substation here in the park. We provide the clients with a 10,000 kVA substation. We have an elevated tank, a 1 million liter tank that can help in any emergency. So here in the park, we try to give the clients a peace of mind that there won't be any troubles regarding electricity, water, or any other matter in that case.
In addition, also I'd like to touch on their ongoing or continuous service support. We always, it's not difficult for us to reach them, whether by the phone or email. We appreciate their quick response and support.
We believe in the golden rule: treat others like we like to be treated.
I feel very, very pleased with the service we receive from them. Usually I don't have to worry for maintenance problems or any situation that happens on the building.
Here in the park, we also help the companies, our clients, with any job applications that they need. We post them at our security guard office at the front of the park so that they won't have people coming in and just knocking on every door looking for a job.
And then we try to match that with the demand that our companies have within the industrial park, what they're looking for. So once we make the match, we have these people go directly for an interview in the company. So that way you won't see people walking around the parks for security purpose, but also for them, so they're not wasting time and energy and direct sunlight looking for a job.
We try to get companies here to focus on their production, and we help them take care of everything else. All the outside, the building, the maintenance, the landscaping, we take care of that for them. So I would like to invite everyone to come and visit the park so that you can see firsthand what this park is, what it represents, and you can compare it to even other parks all over the world. You'll see that this park is of the utmost quality available.
I personally recommend to anyone. As a matter of fact, I can even put my name as a reference. If anyone contact me, I'll be glad to give my input.
The door plans are open for any visitor that wants to see and witness our progress and how we manage our business here in Mexico.
You'll be happy to see that companies here have been established for a very long time now. You'll see that this is a place where you can come, work, concentrate on your production, and grow here also.